It's your girl Sharaerae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Alright, so today I am going to be braiding my hair, and I will be taking it out tomorrow in the morning, showing y'all the final results. So let's get right into the video. This is how I just have my hair in a bonnet with a ponytail. I just washed it yesterday. Yeah, so this thing right here, this thing needs some work. And in this video, I'm just gonna finger detangle it and then make my parts with this comb. Spray it a little bit. I'm using this hair milk. I did a review on this as well. I just want to see how this is gonna look with the braid out too. Here's me part it right here. Yup. Ooh, this thing tangled. So the last thing I'm gonna do is put some of this stuff in here. I got all this left. Just put it on there, just like that. I know I'm not the best braider, but it get the job done. And I'm taking it out anyway, so it don't really matter. I will see y'all in the morning. I'm back, y'all. This is the final result. This is what it looks like. I think if you leave it in longer, it'll be bigger. But yeah, because it was still a little bit wet, but it was mostly dry. Yes, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, y'all.